I think I'm ready. Are we rolling? Are we good? Are we rolling? Are we rolling? Okay, we are rolling. Yes.
And Engineering USA is eager to help your organization tackle any quality challenges that you might pursue.
These are all managed by the PLM.
So Engineering USA is proud to bring the capabilities shipbuilders need to make real their vision for the future.
You also look miserable right now, so don't look.
Well, that's a pretty accurate representation.
This provided our customer with,
And I studied computer engineering in Milan. But then for my master, I joined a program with the University of Illinois.
So I think we can all agree that quality is very important.
Operations that can be completed in a completely automated fashion.
Okay. Okay, now we need like an ending, a marketing ending.
Engineering USA is available to help navigate.
Okay. We can see that. Okay, try again. I think we could.